Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix apps stuck on waiting on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to update your apps or try to download and install apps on your iPhone iOS 26 and you see that apps are stuck on waiting, and after that you have tried many times and they have didn't resume for the downloading and install. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the email. You have to turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to simply turn off the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings you have to go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to go to the app store, and after that you have to check which apps is stuck on waiting. So you have to simply search for that app. For example, here my Chrome app has been stuck on update. So you have to simply search for that app and you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on that download button. After that you have to check whether it has started to download or not. As you can see, it is now started loading, and you have to wait for some time so that it has been downloaded on your iPhone iOS 26. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that what you have to do, you have to connect to the Apple support and ask for the solution. Moreover, you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion forum about this problem, how they solve the problem, and after that you will get many solutions for that problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.